Hello, my name is Norma with Mommy's Personalized Gifts and DIYs. In this channel, you will be learning how to make and create personalized items for all occasions. You can give them away or you can use them to start your own little business. Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Norma Acosta with Mommy's DIYs. And this morning we're going to do this t-shirt. This t-shirt is from Print Gear. I live in California and I'm fortunate to have a warehouse like about 15 minutes away from here. So this is a next level and it's V-neck ideal. And I get this for like $3.75, I believe. And if I pay in cash when I pick them up, they give me another little discount. I used to get my t-shirts from Walmart, but it happened that sometimes people will order me the same t-shirt and they didn't have it anymore. So I researched this company and they have very good prices, and they have a big line of Hanes, Champion, and they have other lines that I don't know about. But if you want to research it, it's called Print Gear. And they have one in Oxnard, California, and I think 2 more somewhere else. Okay, so this is the second video that I do in regards to dyeing your shirts. And this one I'm gonna dye it in 3 different colors. I'm gonna use the same orange that I used for the last one. I'm gonna use a purple and I'm gonna use a yellow. And so you're gonna be needing the colors that you need. And I showed in the last video that this is what I bought because I was still in the try stages. And this was $32 and minus 40% off of my coupon. It comes with a lot of rubber bands, with some gloves. It comes with this liner. This liner is like 3 sizes bigger than this, but I cut it so I can use some more. And what I do when I finish dyeing my shirt, I just clean it up, and it cleans really well. What we're gonna do is we're gonna grab the t-shirt from the middle and we're gonna twist it, and we're gonna continue twisting it just like that. And then the outside of it, you're just gonna bring it in, just the shirt, not the plastic. Okay, so you're just gonna go around and bring it in like that, just like that, and make it like a, just make sure that it looks similar to this. I mean, with dyed t-shirts you can do almost anything. When I sell them, I tell people that not all t-shirts are gonna look the same. Let me start with the purple. And like in a triangle, you're just gonna start from the middle and you're gonna start putting your dye in just like so. And you're gonna push it in. I was doing it with the spray, but it just didn't work out for me. So I was spraying it all over the place. So there it is. That looks like the triangle. So I'm gonna put some more. Okay, and what I was telling you guys in the other video is that you can sell these t-shirts with the dye and maybe with the print. I usually sell them for like $19.99 or $22.99 for the big ones. And it all depends on how much you get, you pay for your t-shirts, okay? So we're just gonna go in here and make another triangle, and we're gonna start pouring. I have seen so many good videos, but my level of creating is not there yet. So I'm just starting with a little bit, and maybe once this pandemic is done, I'm probably going to try to take some classes. Okay, so there's another triangle. So now we're gonna do the yellow one. So it will work better if I uncover it, right? So there's my other triangle. So we're gonna do the same thing. I love doing this because sometimes I get, when we're making t-shirts for ourselves, I wanna make t-shirts with my kids, with my grandkids. I'm sure they're gonna have a lot of fun. Okay, so there we go. So now we're gonna go around this way. We're gonna go again purple, just like in a form of a triangle. Here we go. And you're gonna squeeze so that the dye all the way in there. Okay, so then we have 2 more spots right here, and you can get a rag and wipe your hands if you need to, and you can also wipe around just to make sure that everything is nice and clean. So we have again orange, another triangle, and start pouring it. I really like the imperfection of the dye t-shirt. It's a lot of fun. Okay, so here it is, and the last is going to be yellow. So we actually were able to do 2 triangles of each color. Okay, here it is. The next step, you guys, well, let's go ahead. Now we're going to go ahead and turn it around, and let me clean all of this here. So you're just going to grab it the same way, and you're just going to turn it around. Okay, and do the same thing on the other side. Okay, we have a purple here and purple here. I love to get dirty. And you guys, if you like the content of my videos, please make sure you give me thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. I want to do a class where I get the kids involved, my grandkids, so maybe you can get your kids so we can do something fun. I would really, like to do that. I always like to incorporate my kids, my grandkids into whatever I can. The reason why is because I was a single mother with my 2 kids, and I was always working. So now that I don't work as much anymore, I'm giving all that love and time and care to my grandkids. So I want to start doing some projects to do with the kids, because the kids love to get messy. Okay. Also, you guys, I closed my store because of the pandemic, but I have a website if you want to check out the things that I have available. It's called Momis, M-O-M-I-S, Momis Marketplace.com. And I'm going to put the link in the description box. And also I have a Facebook. If you guys try any of these shirts, make sure that you go to my Facebook. It's called Momis Designs CA for California. Okay, and if you have questions, if you want to share your work with me, that will be kind of cool. So here it is. We have 2 orange, 2 purple, and 2 yellow. Okay, so now the next step, before we go to the next step, let me show you really quickly. This is one of the t-shirts that I made. This is one of the t-shirts that I made, and I put a Bible phrase on it, and then I decided to do some rhinestones. So this one I'm probably going to sell it for like $22 to $22.99 because of the rhinestones. Okay, so you can pretty much play with your shirts and to make them. A lot of people like bling bling. Okay, I'm one of them. I love bling bling. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, in the same shape that we have our shirt, we're going to go ahead and put it in this plastic bag. Okay, I recycle my plastic bags, I wash them, and then I reuse them. So just the same way, you're going to grab it gently, pick it up, and put it in the plastic bag. So now the t-shirt is going to stay here for 72 hours, you guys, so that it absorbs all the color. After it's there for 72 hours, you're gonna wash it at a large load by itself with hot water. And then you can put the design you want or the design your client wants. You need to disclose this information because usually once you wash a garment, it's considered used. So you need to make sure that you let them know the reason why you had to wash it. And most people do understand. Welcome back. So it's been 72 hours. Here is my t-shirt. I'm going to bring it out, and we're going to undo it and see what we did. Okay, so here's the front of it, and here it is. Look at how beautiful. My goodness, look at that. Oh, I'm so impressed with my shirt. I think I'm going to keep it for myself. I want to keep all of them for myself. So here's the back. There it is. So all you really need to do is just put it to wash, print it, or keep it there and see what your client wants printed on it. And that's it, you guys. There it is. Thank you so much. That's all for me today. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you like the content of my videos, please make sure that you give me thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and share it in your social media. That will help me very, very much. Other than that, thank you so much. May the Lord bless you today and every day, and stay safe. See you soon.